Hey, hi all. This is Arvind here. Welcome back to my another product review. This time I'm coming with a new product called 10x Commission Machine. So quickly, what is 10x Commission Machine? 10x Commission Machine is an info product which helps to create campaigns, so step by step blueprints to create affiliate marketing campaigns. So that's all about 10x Commission Machine. As usual, what I'm going to do is I will go through the members area, and also I will take you to the sales page, have a quick look around what's happening in the sales page. Meanwhile, if you're interested in this product, stick with me. I'm going to show you some interesting bonuses, and then quickly I will go to the product in detail. So today I have put together some interesting bonuses. So the first bonus is called Cartel, which helps you to get YouTube traffic, and how you can build the subscriber list. It's an info product again, which is absolutely free when you get this particular product. The next bonus is called Drive Traffic to 10x Commission Machine using Bing. So basically, it talks about Bing ads, how to spend and how to make money using Bing ads using commission machines. So that's the next bonus I'm going to give. The third bonus is something called how to do proper email marketing. So as you know, emails are very important for affiliate marketing. You need to have follow-ups, and to ensure you have potential buyers, you need to send out chasers emails. So your email should be sharp, your email should be short, so it is like keep it simple and sweet. So this will give you to understand, write and build proper email marketing, and that's a bonus number 3. The bonus number 4 is the launch jacking. This is some of the basic idea. This is a product which gives you a basic idea how to do promotions, how to do affiliate marketing, how to sell the offers, and do kind of promotion of certain products from certain vendors. So that's all about this product. It's a very good product which will help you to progress in doing and marketing the campaigns which or the products which others have put in place. And the final bonus is the special bonus. It's all the vendor bonuses which the vendor or the product creators have promised. I will go through the special bonuses as well. That's in the members area, but these are the bonuses I'm going to give. If you purchase, how to access this bonuses: if you purchase, you will be taken to the sales page. Click on any of the links down below. It will take you to the sales page, and from the sales page, it will take you to Warrior Plus account. And once you complete your purchase, there is something which is coming in your Warrior Plus purchase history. You will find something like a access affiliate bonus. Once you click on it, all your bonuses are available right for you. So that's all about my product, sorry, my bonuses. Let's quickly go through what this product is all about. So as I told, 10x Machines is a powerful software and a training module which sets up powerful affiliate campaigns. Any newbies or intermediate marketers will exponentially improve the results with their 10x Commission Machines. So that's all about commission machines. So as you know, you have in affiliate marketing, you have to have your emails set up, your squeeze pages, your launch jackings. All those things are key, and this particular commission machine or this particular product tells you how to exactly follow step by step in order to achieve and get results, and end of the day make money using affiliate marketing. All right, so let's quickly jump on to the members area. So this is the members area. So this is a landing page which you see. You can actually go and add to your Facebook group. You can actually go and subscribe to YouTube channel. There is a support which is available. So these are some things which are addition to what the trainings are included in the main area. So you have got, basically you've got 7 modules, out of which module 7 is upgrades. And here is what I've told the bonuses. So once you Once you have your purchase, come here and then access all your bonuses, all the vendor bonuses. I will again show you what are the bonuses which are included. But let's quickly go through the module first. So it's a welcome video which John and Cynthia, they are product owners, have created. So there is a welcome video, and how this is structured and what's all about it. It's given here. Then they will give a quick overview on 10x commission, and what it talks about, how the modules are organized, and what needs to be taken, what are the steps you need to do, etc., etc., in the overview module. That's module number 1. If you go to module number 2, that's where your main trading starts. So for example, if you click on how the 10x commission works, they have illustrated clearly what are the key areas, how you can actually start building your affiliate marketing. So as you know, you need a squeeze page, you need email subscribers, and then you need to give bonuses. So there are potentially buyers involved, then you have your promos. All those are detailed out in how your 10x commission works using his techniques. So then you will have an update on how to quickly set up a website, and website is very essential for doing affiliate marketing or any business. So many of you may be aware, but if people are not aware of how to set up a website, which are the good offers to get, what side of website you need, what are the different tools you need in the website, how many pages you require, all those things are mentioned in the website setup. uh, of course, if you the next one is YouTube channel. So for all, basically for affiliate marketing, it's very essential to have a channel so that you can actually sell these products to the subscribers or new members. So what are the media? One is YouTube. You have got multiple other medias as well, like Facebook. You can do via Facebook, or you can actually create a blog sites and all those stuff. But YouTube is the most powerful area, or a powerful media to get sales and reach out to the people. I'm not going into details of how YouTube works because everyone should be aware of it. But the key essence of YouTube, starting a YouTube channel, what needs to be taken, what are the key conditions? For example, is it how old is a YouTube channel, how to get more views, how to get more traffic to your channel? All those are described in this particular module. Then a webinar, basically Aweber is account creation which runs an email marketing. So basically it's a tool. You have to go and log into this and create it, and start building your email list. Now, the next one is how to promote a particular offer. So, for example, if you go, there are many areas like JVZoo or Warrior Plus, where the affiliates or the salespeople or the product owners put their products and they sell it out. But you need, as an affiliate marketer, you need to understand which are the good products so that you can pick up and choose and sell. So, those would be mentioned in this particular module: how to pick up a product and how to promote it. Now, as I told, the key thing is there are many marketers out there who are doing the business. Everyone is getting their shares, but what stands out unique is what you give as a bonuses and what you can offer best as a customer. Why should I buy? So you need to have custom made bonuses. All those are given in building 10x bonus page. Of course, then bonus delivery, how you can actually provide your bonus delivery, how to provide the free buyers lead hacks, etc., that's explained here. 10x commission video, so it's like, what are the steps these guys, the product owners, have gone in detail in their daily life to achieve enough results or make money, is what they have detailed out in this particular one. Then free traffic from blog, that's another one. So a key thing is you need to get traffic, so that more traffic, more subscribers, more money. So end of the day, you need to get more traffic. So one of the module here covers how to get free traffic from a blog. The next module talks about email promo master, whether it talks about again how to master your email, how to write emails, how to send out emails, what are the different techniques you need to use. All those stuffs are detailed out here. The next one is building a landing page. So you need to have squeeze pages. For example, you need to get the information from people who comes and looks into your page. So you need to create a page, you need to create a squeeze page, get the subscribers, and all those are detailed on in this module. Again, he is going in detail on free traffic method, how to get free traffic. There are different techniques. For example, you can get using paid ads or via free techniques. So this is where you understand how to build traffic, and then buying solo ads. So this is also another technique for getting more traffic. It will be explaining how you can actually get ads and leads using free traffic. And then 10 at branding secrets. So how do you want to brand your product? What are the important things for affiliate marketing? What are the essential tools you require for affiliate marketing? All those things are covered in 10x branding secrets. So that is in a high level bird's eye view what the second module talks about. The third module talks about conclusion and next steps. Basically, it talks about what are the actions you need to take, what are the day-to-day activities you need to plan, the strategize things, pick up a product, what are the outcomes you prefer. All those are mentioned in the conclusion and next steps. So this is in a nutshell. First three modules are the essence or the core of this particular product. Now, as I told, there are some vendor bonuses which they have given. The vendor bonuses you can access again here, and they have got close to 5 bonuses, which is again they're giving on top of my 4 bonuses or my 5 bonuses which I'm giving. So you are going to get almost close to 9 or 10 bonuses, which is a good way if you're going to get this product. Yeah. Then you have unannounced bonuses. So unannounced bonuses are something which they are going to give you, and this is something which is a surprise for you. But I'm just showing you. So these are something which you're going to get again as addition. So again, you have got 5 more bonuses which are included. I have shown you again. So this is unannounced bonus. So module 6 is all about resources. It basically talks about all your resources below: your free website, how to get your free websites, how to create a YouTube, how to create a web account, commission gorilla to build up your bonus pages, and urgency suites for pro here. So all these are standard sets of templates basically to help you to start building your affiliate marketing. So step by step on what needs to be done. And then finally you have got upgrades. So upgrades are basically if you want to go on a higher version. I will come to that in detail. So this is all about the members area, and this is how the product looks. Let's quickly go through the sales page now. So sales page, the virtual starts to start talking about the virtual unknown secrets for 10 times your commission that makes 5k monthly side income. Yeah, so you don't have to basically understand the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. Just follow the steps, and you are the product owners are trying to tell you that you're going to make this amount of money. Yeah, so there is a video how does it sounds like, and then it shows some of the income proofs of how they have made money over a period of time. And these are the real snapshots from the Warrior Plus account, their account. So today they have got 869, and I'm saying today means on that particular day, and that's last 30 days you have got one of the persons have got $2,403. Yeah, so these are some of the testimonials from the real people who have started using or used it, and these are the product owners, Cynthia and John. They are my good friends. They have John is coming up with this second product, and this is something which they have taken into heart, and they have tried to put for uh, affiliate marketing and newbies who can start their work immediately. So I'm not going in detail. So this you can have take time and have a look at the sales page. Yeah, so they've again listed the bonus pages. Yeah. Okay, so that's all about the product, and I've taken you through the members area. I've taken you through the sales page. Now talking about some of the pros and cons. So as a whole, As a pro, there are no actual work to be needed, so they have given step-by-step training on how to use or start affiliate marketing. They have got given you unique software and training methods. So if you look at the resources which in that members area, they have given you the tools and techniques to start. It's 100% newbie friendly, absolutely true. Proven profitable over and over again. So if you what they're trying to tell you is, if you do this on a proper methodological way, you're going to make money out of it. Work in any niche. So they are saying that it can work in CPAs, it can work on affiliate marketing, it can make in any other areas, and it'll start now. So it's quick. It's just go and work according to what the product is all about, and it's a built-in traffic is built in. So these are some of the benefits, but some of the cons which I feel is, for all these you need to get traffic, you need to set up certain accounts for you, but let's talk about traffic. So for some of the traffics I've given some bonuses which will definitely help you. Traffic is very important. They have given enough traffic, or they have given enough training, the product has given enough training, but again, as I told, the things which if you notice, you need to get more traffic to get more subscribers, and I have given you enough bonuses to get more traffic about it. The second thing which I wanted was, there are, even though there are step-by-step trainings, you need to follow, and it'll take some understanding and time to do it, but of course you need to spend time and energy to make money. Other than that, it's a good product. It's a really good product for a newbie, and if you are interested in doing affiliate marketing, this is a product you can go for. So that's all about it. And now coming to the prices. So the front end price is $12.95, which will give you all the access which I've shown now, including my bonuses, including all the vendor bonuses. That's for $12.95. No brainer. You're going to get everything what you want with $12.95. The upsell number one is 10x Machine Pro, which they will have advanced training, and then the product owners will show you everything that works since I started online in 2014, including fee and paid traffic strategies, inside secrets of affiliate marketing, including case studies. So that's upsell number one. Upsell number two is 10x commission done for you setup. You will get done for your bonus page every week for 365 days. So basically what they're doing is they'll create a bonus page every week for you, so that it's very easy for you to start up and running on a weekly basis. Upsell number three, 10x commission machine double reseller rights. So basically you can sell it, you can buy this product as well as you sell to others as well. So that's reseller rights. Upsell number four is 10x commission machine coaching. For $197. So what happens is you will receive 2 to 3 Skype, Zoom catch up with the product owners, John or Cynthia, and then you have email and Facebook support for a month, where they will help you to understand anything regarding your internet marketing. So that's the upsell number four. So these are the four variations for this product. So to conclude, again, this is a training come a product which gives enough understanding and gives blueprint to affiliate marketing. Newbie friendly, it's simple, it has got resources. Yeah, so that's all about it. If you like my video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another video or a product soon enough. Cheers.